About this item: thumbs up a real 75 ohm TV cable, as well sky extension Coax cable 50 feet, with durable weather protect satellite coaxial cable F connector, ideal for indoor, outdoor use, no matter sunlight or rainy, will be reliable and continuous, providing you with high definition video audio signals. Television high shielding effectiveness design digital TV coaxial cable, protect the signal transmission from phone signal and other electromagnetic signal interference, let you enjoying wonderful programs, enhance signal for more channels. Long length RG6 coaxial cable 50 feet money bag or set kit packing with 1 PCS 50 feet RG6 Coax cable, 1 PCS RF F81 female to female adapter, and 2 F-pin female to TV male leads, available to make antenna satellite extension cable without extra cost. Compatible RG6 cable F screw and 9,5 mm IEC TV plug. Desktop computer high quality materials provide superb quality and long-term use. Strong RG6 patch cable with F-pin satellite cable TV lead, compatible for caravan TV, antenna, cable TV, satellite, DVR, VCR, cable box, SAT cable extension. Man and woman holding hands. Full real length 50 feet, CEROHS compliant. F connector male to male antenna cable, with F81 extension connector, good for satellite cable extension and outdoor TV cable. Coax man and woman holding hands, easy self-installation or extension at home without special tools. Connect television set and wall